Hi, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you're new, I hope you stick around and like and subscribe if you like hauls and DIYs. And if you're returning, thank you for all your support. Okay, today I have a Dollar Tree haul and a small Hobby Lobby haul, which I'll show after the Dollar Tree. And I be sure to check out in the description box. I have two giveaways going on, and I will put in the description the rule, how to enter it, and what they are. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start with some Crafter Square. I have a lot of different but glues. There's this Beacon Value adhesive spray, and this really works. I like it on spraying it on those black tags and then cutting out a tag that you print, and it makes it go on real nice and smooth, and it doesn't take a lot of this to spray on. And then there's this craft glue. It's clear, and I like using this in my journals too. And I bought some more of this tacky glue. That works real good with the fabric that you're using. And I really like this. I can't say enough about the Jot clear glue. It goes on clear. And this one too, it doesn't take a lot, and it doesn't take that long to dry. And then there's this, what's wood glue. I'm having a hard time seeing it, but I found some more of that. And they stocked up on their Mod Podge again. This one in the orange is the matte. And then this one is the matte gloss, I think. One of them's gloss and one of them's regular. But they're both real good. They're just as good as buying the Mod Podge from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and it doesn't take a lot. And I picked out 3 paints. This one is the white acrylic. And I picked out a regular green. And this is kind of like a hunter green. I got these two to mix, to paint together, like on the little wood ornaments you get. And some of them are trees, or in some of the other wooden signs, like with a truck and it has a tree in the background. I thought 2 tones of the green would look good on the tree, and then with the white as snow, that would look real good. I found some more of these. I just call them dabbers, sponge dabbers. You get 3 in a pack, which is a good deal. They had some more of they finally got their glue sticks in. You get 20 of them in here for $1.25. That still ain't bad. And then I picked out, this one is 20. They're just a little, my eyes are still a little blurry from my diabetes, so bear with me, please. But these are the dots, and they work real good too. And then we have the double-sided tape, and then the pop. It says Pop Dot tabs, and they're just lot of little bitty dots, you know, and I really like these on the small pages that you use. I picked up some more of this burlap ribbon. It's kind of like lacy, or not lacy, but it kind of gives you that vintage look. I really like it. I think it's real pretty. Okay, this is from Jot. It's the compass and the protractor. It's a set of 2, but I got it mainly to make even circles with this, because I just can't draw. I can't draw a straight line, and I can't draw a perfect circle. And this is from Jot. You get 2 blue and 2 black gel pens, and it's from Jot, like I said. And Jot, I believe, is one of the best that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And then there's these markers. I like using these in the trim, or to make it like if you're painting on something. Once you get the 2 colors or 3 colors painted, go through it and do a little edging on it. That looks real nice and gives it a high-end look. I picked out another 3-pack of this fabric gift bags. It's burlap and then navy blue. I'm hoping to find some red for Christmas. That would look real nice. And let's see, I found some more of this. It is jewel border stickers. I found it in the gold, the pink, and the blue. I picked up 2 of the blue. And I picked up another one of these journaling ink metallic brush markers. I like the way the lines go when you swirl them. You can go from small to heavy, back to small. And this is a dark green. I have to, I've been on the lookout seeing if they have any other colors to choose from. I found some more of these wooden squares. I found 4 of them. I'm going to hopefully find some more. I'm wanting to make like a gingerbread house for Christmas out of them. And I need 1, 2, at least 3 more before I can do that for y'all. And I found some more of these wooden boxes. These are the kind that have space in between. And let me see here. I might have found one. And I did. I found one that is all solid, but it's cut in through here to make it look like there's each piece. But see the difference in them? And I found one of these candle holders. I need to find a couple more so I can, I'm wanting to make something for Christmas with it, and I need 3 more. And I picked up another one of these window clings. I love the gingerbread house and the gingerbread man. And the little, well, there's a gingerbread up here too. There's one there and one right there. But look at the reef and the little tree, and it's all glitter on it. Okay. And I'm going to be using these to make something for Christmas. I bought 2 of these. It's just a floral foam. But I'm going to make something out of these 2 that I bought. And I picked up one of these 2-pack. They're the circle ones and the square. I need to buy a couple more of these up. Hopefully they'll get more of them in. But I plan on making some real nice, cute, but high-end looking DIYs for Christmas for y'all. Okay, now, and I found some more of the ribbon, just these 2. I wanted some more of the gnome ones. They're supposed to have new ribbon out that, but I think they had those last year. But they're supposed to have some new decorations on the ribbon, and I just haven't found them yet. But when I do, I'm going to buy up some of them, because I love working with new ribbon designs. And I found these spatulas. You can't beat it. It's McCormick. You can't beat this for $1.25. I found some more of the Crayola construction paper. It's 10 colors, and you get 30 sheets. That's the colors you get. Okay, let's see, that's it for the Dollar Tree. So, I'm getting ready to show you the Hobby Lobby. Let me get these out here. Alrighty. This is the crafting paper. I picked up 2 of these designs. Let me see. These are little Santas and deer presents, trees, the sleigh, and I don't see anything else, but look how beautiful those are. I like how the Santa and the deers look. They're so cute. And then I picked up 2 of these with the different trucks and Christmas trees, presents, and looks like a light and snowman on them. I got these mainly for my journaling, which I'll make another video once I get enough journaling books and kits done so I can list it on Etsy. And I picked up 2 of these with the Santa. And 2 of these with different gnomes on them. Look how cute they are and festive. Okay. Okay. Trying to get the stickers out of this one bag first. Okay, this one I'm going to show you, the one with all the different gnomes. There's, well, I can't see how many it says, but There's quite a bit in it. And then there's some on the back. And then there's these little stickers with different cats on it, and I think it's just so cute. Of course, I seen this and I had to get it because I'm a cat lover. Just look how cute they are. And then there's these with different Santas, gingerbread, ornaments, penguins, trees, mugs, candy, presents. And oh, and there's deers. And these were half price. They say like $2.99 on them, but they were $1.50. And then I picked up this big sheet. It says $2.49, but they were half off too. And these are the real shiny foil kind. So I hope you can see them good without a glare. I'm trying to position it for you. There's a lot there. I think there's 90 or 100. I can't remember. Okay, and then I picked up these little gnome ornaments. They say they were $5.99, but they were half off, so they were like $3. Here's with this. I love their little hats, and look at their little beards. And then this one, of course, one's missing, but I had to give one to my cat Daisy. She likes playing with them like a cat toy. And I learned if I don't give her one, she'll get in once I take them off the packing. And I put them in my craft box. And when I have them out, she'll root down in there until she pulls every one of them out. And she did that to my ones I bought from the Dollar Tree. They were 4 of them on one of these, and they were red felt with the red hats and the white beard. You might remember them. Anyway, I had 8 of them, and she pulled out every one of them. But these are the 2 that I picked up. And then the last are some more stickers for, now the stickers I'm going to use for crafting and for my journaling. And there's this one with a bunch of different characters, and there's like candy canes and everything on it. I just think they're real cute and pretty. And then, of course, I had to buy the nutcrackers. I love nutcrackers. I have like 3 or 4 totes packed away, the large totes, full of different types of nutcrackers. But I think they're real festive.